Hi, this is Jim with Frontenac Detailing up here at Honda Frontenac in Frontenac, Missouri. Today we're going to show you how to restore a headlight in less than 6 minutes using some household brands that you may recognize. First thing we're going to use is off bug spray. We're going to use a little bit of Dawn dishwashing detergent, and we're going to use some Meguiar's Ultra Cotton 105 polishing compound. So here we are as a 2006 V6 Honda Accord. It's in very good condition, but like anything with age, it's starting to show it, especially these headlights. See how faded they are. So the first thing you want to do is just use your bug spray and put a liberal coating of bug spray on that lens. Let it dwell for about 10 seconds or so. Take a normal paper towel, nothing special, and just wipe it off. Look at this. Look at the filth that's coming off of there. And there's something in that bug spray that dissolves that top layer of plastic that makes up that headlight lens. You just clean it the best you can with the bug spray, but you don't want to leave that bug spray on there long. That's when we use a few drops of Dawn in a spray bottle. We're going to rinse that off real well. You can see this still coming off, the dirt and the oxidized plastic still coming off pretty good. Get your hose and rinse it real well. Now we have a 3-step wet sanding process. We start with 1500 wet sandpaper. I use this little pad to make sure I get it. You just want to sand in one direction. Make sure the lens is wet. Make sure the sandpaper is wet. And we're just going in one direction. Keep it wet. Then we're going to go in the opposite direction, like a crosshatch. Just a couple times over it with the 1500. Then we move down to 2000 grit sandpaper. Again, keep it wet. Go the same direction. Oh. Sometimes that happens. Go in the same direction. Up and down, cross-hatching. And it feels so much smoother right now. Now you can spend a lot more time than we're going to do today if you want to be a perfectionist, but we're just reconditioning this car to make it optically much better looking. Of course, the headlights are going to work great. We're going to finish with 3000 grit. Again, same way. We don't want to go in circles. We just want to go up and down. This is taking the sanding marks of the 1500 and the 2000 out of the plastic. We're all done sanding now, so we're just going to rinse it off real good. Now we want to blow dry it. We'll make a little noise here. Then we take our Meguiar's 105 polishing compound, a few drops on a hand pad. You can use a machine pad if you want, but it's just more trouble than it's worth, I think. And you start polishing this lens the same way you do with the sandpaper. One direction, then the other. Again, this is Meguiar's 105 polishing compound. Final step is a clean microfiber towel. And you got a almost brand new headlight there. Listen, thanks for watching. I'm Jim with Frontenac Detailing. We're up here at Honda Frontenac, reconditioning a 2006 clean V6 Honda Accord.